An electrician is a tradesperson with the ability and training to design, install, maintain, and problem-solve electrical wiring systems. All residential, commercial, and industrial projects need electrical wiring systems. An electrician ensures that many essential items function without any issues. They may also specialize in areas like installations, maintenance, electrotechnical panel building, and others. How do you begin your path in this electrifying career? Stay tuned. Becoming an electrician. Once you choose the area you wish to specialize in, you need a few requirements before enrolling in an electrical training program. First, you must have a high school diploma or a GED to enroll in any electrical training program. However, some colleges will accept you without a high school diploma or GED, provided that you attend an accredited high school program while attending your electrical training program. Once you have your high school diploma or GED and you're 18 years or older, you can choose to enroll in an electrical training program with a state-approved institution or pursue an apprenticeship. An apprenticeship involves working with an established electrician at various job sites. During an apprenticeship, you'll practice electrical skills with these professionals. The apprenticeship programs will often take between 3 to 4 years to complete. The training will include similar coursework, including learning the National Electrical Code, NEC. You can also choose to do an apprenticeship after your electrical training program, although it's not required. Electrical Training Program. An electrical training program aims to have participants earn an electrician's certificate. This will allow you to work in the electrical trade or other related areas under a licensed electrician. An electrical training program provides participants with an overview of skills needed in various electrical occupations. Coursework will cover several areas, including basic trade math and fundamentals of electric and power distribution. It will also include commercial, industrial, and residential electrical wiring requirements and National Electrical Code requirements. Finally, you'll get insights and training on safety and occupational safety and health administration, OSHA, standards, and other motor control fundamentals. Training program benefits. Attending an approved electrical training program will help you get hired for various entry-level industry positions. These include positions for residential and commercial electrical trainee positions, as well as jobs in the solar industry. It's a career that will bring many benefits. It's definitely an interesting career because work is always challenging and sometimes unpredictable. This career also has a high earning potential as you specialize and gain experience. A training program ensures you're also meeting state requirements. Finally, this in-demand career is highly regarded and respected, opening up tons of possibilities too, like starting your own business, specializing, working at a large company, and more. It's crucial to find an electrical training program that works for you. It's important to do the proper research to ensure you get the best training. InterCoast Colleges provides a comprehensive electrical training program approved by California to offer its whole curriculum program. We also recently introduced a hybrid electrical training program. We can assist applicants in getting their high school diploma, and we also help you get financial aid if you qualify. And job placement assistance is available to qualified students after graduation. Apply online today to be a part of our approved electrical training program. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.